Controversial win against Fulham. Liam Delap is out for 2 months and Nicholas Jackson's loan deal might get cancelled. This has been a roller coaster weekend for Chelsea fans, so let's get into it. Hi guys, my name is Football Kyani. I'm a Chelsea fan and we are going to talk about everything that happened throughout this weekend. And I want to start off by saying Stamford Bridge ko kuch ho gaya. You know, there used to be an era of Jose Mourinho, an era of Carlo Ancelotti, where Stamford Bridge used to be a fortress. कोई भी टीम आके ये नहीं सोच सकती थी कि हम 3 पॉइंट लेने वाले हैं. They would fight. They would really fight to get 1 point, and they would consider that 1 point as a win, because हम किसी से हारते ही नहीं रहे. और अब देखो, teams like Fulham are coming in and they are dictating the way that we play. And हमारे ऑरा को भी कुछ हो गया, because what was that first half? Seriously, इतना घटिया. Exactly what I said in my last weekend. It was so choppy, scrappy, boring. मतलब they were playing better than us. They were connecting better. They were playing through us so quickly, and they even scored a goal. 2-3 अच्छे passes, एक अच्छा layup, and then Josh King was through. And awful defending by Tosin, by the way. He should have shown Josh King to his weaker foot, but नहीं, बैठ गया, and it was good finish. But या तो भगवान हमारी साइड है, या रेफरीज कुछ फूक के बैठे हैं, या हमने टेबल के नीचे से उनको कुछ खिलाया, because that was 100% a fair goal. I don't know why that got disallowed. अगर मैं फुलम की पोजीशन में होता भाई, मैं टीवी फोड़ देता, बिकॉज हाउ कैन यू डिसअलाउ दैट. इतना अच्छा प्ले था बाय मुनीस. ही पुट हिमसेल्फ इन बिटवीन चालोबा एंड द बॉल. ही शील्डेड द बॉल, गेव इट अवे टू द प्लेयर दैट हुएवर पास टू जॉश किंग, और ऑब्वियसली वो कूदा, और उसको कहीं तो अपना पैर रखना पड़ेगा. सैडली इट वाज ऑन चालोबा's feet and it got disallowed. But how lucky have we been? 3 games, 3 goals that have been disallowed in our favor, and we need it because हम इतना घटिया खेल रहे हैं. Like, we don't look like we're gonna score from open play. We're lucky that our set piece coach Bernardo Cueva has suddenly put another weapon in our attack, and we've gotten really strong with set pieces, and we've scored like 4 goals from 3 corners already in 3 games. लेकिन भाई ओपन प्ले में तो मुझे कहीं से कहीं नहीं लगता कि हम कुछ करने वाले हैं. None of our wingers get the ball enough. None of them get to take on the players as much as they should, because they are never in the final third. वो हमेशा मिडिल थर्ड में उनको बॉल मिलती है, तो 1-2 टच लेके वो वापस दे देते हैं, लाइक सांचो टाइप शिट. और मुझे लगता है ये मरेस्का की गलती है, बिकॉज ही एनफोर्सेज हिज स्टाइल एंड हिज प्रिंसिपल्स ऑन द प्लेयर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द प्लेयर्स एंड यूजिंग देयर बेस्ट एबिलिटी टू विन द गेम्स. एक बहुत कंसर्निंग चीज़ जो मैंने नोटिस की was that Estevao was not starting on the wing. He was not the widest player on the right. He was playing in that pocket. He was playing as an 8. और ये प्रॉब्लम इसलिए है बिकॉज एस्टेवाओ इज टाउटेड टू बी द नेक्स्ट नेमर. ही इज अ जेनरेशनल टैलेंट. जिसको हमने पाल्मेरास में देखा था, वो हमेशा वाइडेस्ट होता था. हिज स्किल इज टू टेक द बॉल ऑन हिज राइट फुट, यूज हिज लेफ्ट फुट टू ड्राइव एट प्लेयर्स. और जब आप सबसे वाइड होते हो तब आपको पूरी पिच दिखती है. योर गोल इज देयर एंड यू सी द एंटायर पिच एंड यू कैन ईदर क्रॉस इट, you can take on the player, you can go down the wing and cross it. And in fact, in Estevao's case, he can also shoot from his right foot. लेकिन मरेस्का ने उसको अंदर कर दिया, एंड ये मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लमैटिक लगता है, बिकॉज ही डिड द सेम विद कोल पामर. कोल पामर प्रिफर्स टू प्ले ऑन द राइट बिकॉज ही इज अ लेफ्ट फुटेड प्लेयर. He can shoot, he can cross. Under Poch, we saw him excel because he was always playing on that right channel, right? Maresca has switched him on the left, और वो लेफ्ट में नहीं अच्छा ऑपरेट करता. Biggest example of this is Cole Palmer in the Club World Cup final. 2 goals, 1 assist because he played where he prefers to play. So yeah, these are some of the things that worry me, लेकिन the results speak for themselves. I mean, we won the game, and the thing with Chelsea right now is our stats are always positive. हमारा possession हमेशा ज़्यादा होता है, हमारा XG ज़्यादा होता है. We don't concede a lot of goals, but we do. It's always in transitions and barely ever in open play. So I can't complain, and I shouldn't complain. And one of the good things that I saw in this match was João Pedro. He is worth every bit of that 60 million. He was everywhere. He was arriving in the box as second striker. He was holding up play. He was linking up play. He was dropping deep to help Caicedo. He was clearing the ball off of the line. I mean, he's exactly the kind of player we needed to take the pressure off Cole. We needed another guy who would play in that 8-10 position, who has freedom to sort of take the ball, turn on the defender, lay it up, or do something creative. And he is that, because अब Liam Delap भी injured हो चुका है, and our boy Nicholas Jackson might be on his way back. I feel bad for Jackson. I do, because यार he's been there. He's been there for us when we needed him, right? मतलब उसने deliver भी किया, उसने goal भी मारे हैं enough. And you know, in even in important matches, in fact, in the Conference League final when we were 1-1, we needed him, and he scored when we needed him to. But this new ownership is kind of ruthless with players. I mean, जैसे ही Delap और João Pedro आए बाहर, Nicholas Jackson is out. I think one reason for that was also his red card in the Club World Cup final. We needed him to perform at that point, और उसने red card लेके like he put pressure on us. Like we could have gone out of the competition because of him. So I think yeah, this new ownership doesn't take no bullshit and they were like, भाई तेरा हो गया है, अब तू जा. We needed you for some time. Now you're done. You can get out. And luckily we found a good deal for him, like going to Bayern. Obviously he was never going to start over Harry Kane, but if he performed and he delivered, he could have started ahead of Harry Kane. Because Musiala is injured, Harry Kane could have played that 10 role where he could like drop a bit deeper and arrive in the box late. But as soon as Delap got injured, you were like, सुन भाई चुपचाप वापस आ जा. And it was so funny bro. उसका agent Instagram story चल रहा है, हम वापस नहीं आएंगे, I don't care, we'll stay at Bayern, we don't give a shit. And yeah, I don't know what's happening with that. I mean, आज मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ कि there are chances that the deal could go through, but it's been an interesting saga to see in the last 2 days because Mark Hugh को हमने वापस बुला लिया and I don't know what we're going to do with him. I don't think he's good enough to play in the Premier League, but Maresca has a lot of faith in him, probably because of his pressing. तो देखते हैं, let's see what happens. That is it for this weekend. It's been a very crazy weekend for Chelsea because the transfer window is going to close. I think आज 7 बजे close होगी. And you know, we don't know, we might maybe get someone new. Fermin Lopez, by the way, looks off because Barcelona quoted 80 million and they compared him to Caicedo. We're not paying 80 million for that guy unless something like दिमाग घूम जाता है ownership का and they're like हमें चाहिए. I don't think it's happening and it won't happen most likely. So I don't know how this is going to unfold, but it's the international break and there is no football for 2 weeks. So subscribe because I might post a video analyzing how we might set up or how we might play now that Garnacho has arrived and you know Delap is injured. So please comment, follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm more unhinged, and I'll see you next week. Peace.